say you can do that so I didn't see the argument from all there and get that in the territory. Yeah, that's what it is. So not going to do that with the bike. Yeah. I think this one just in when you go now, they can pick up sensor that can carry. Yeah, it's very easy. You can only rent a